Chapter 11, Venality. Akalal mal wala takulu amwalakum bainakum bil batile watudlu biha elal hukame letakulu fariqan min amwalin nase be ithme wa antum ta'alamun. Surah 2, Ayat 188. Seek not to possess yourselves of each other's wealth by unlawful means, nor to offer it to the judges that you may appropriate consciously and unjustly a part of the wealth of other men. See a lot of that in this country, right? You have the people who, if your family or you are working with a particular political party, you really shouldn't have anything to do with the other side. And, if you get millions in campaign contributions against, judges should not have vested interest, or they should be disbarred and possibly prosecuted or something, right?